Hey Bridget, I'm going to cut up an onion, a carrot, and celery to give you an idea of how I make mirepoix. This is just for some fake meat hamburgers. What I'm trying to do now is just do a medium dice on these veg. You can see the onions were already diced. So there we have that. You never want to crowd the mushrooms. You want to give them a little salt as well too, so they release. Okay, last of the mushrooms here. Okay. All right. And basically, this is it. My mix of mirepoix and mushrooms, which will, once the burgers are cooking in here and have been flipped, this will go in with maybe a little bit of vegetable stock. You have